Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn VLOOKUP formula in Excel spreadsheet with the help of ChatGPT. Yes, it's really possibly you can create, if you don't know formula how to write, and if you know how to ask a query to ChatGPT, ChatGPT will prepare a formula for you and give you a step-by-step process where to apply and how to use this VLOOKUP formula to get a proper requested result in Excel. Yes, when you are having a large scale of data sets, then you just try to use such type of VLOOKUP formula and get immediate result without wasting of any time. You just get an immediate result. See, basically VLOOKUP formula, like this is the data, it is here, and from this data, if we want to get something, like airfares, what is the fare, and hotel, what is the fare, car, what is the fare. If you want shortcutly immediately, you just type here SHOP, something shop. So shop, when I type some shop value, is a reflecting automatically here. In the same case, if I type like a car, what is the car value? It's a 180. Let's see, 180. Automatically it is coming like a budgeting of the car. So how it is getting? Yes, by applied VLOOKUP such a formula, we are able to getting in this such a result. So with the help of ChatGPT, how we can prepare such a formula? See, I am implementing write a formula in the Excel that search for the values in A8. So A8. Here, what the value I am typing here in the columns A22B6, this reference to A22B6 data to be find, then result column to be D. Use VLOOKUP formula, that information I am just trying to typing in my ChatGPT query. So, will I get a formula here? Really? I am giving a text, and will I get a result set of VLOOKUP formula? Just I am submitting this query to ChatGPT. Just wait and see how a ChatGPT is going to be supporting for us. Yes, searching the value A8 and A22B6 is the return corresponding values in the B, using B value as a return. So click on the empty cell. See, wow, it's done for formula creation. So done for formula creation. Type the formula of the formula bar, selecting of the cell. Wherever we require to representing this formula, we need to take a copy and press the select the cell. There we have to formula bar, we have to paste this, and we have to see the result and changing the name so we can see. Let's check it. See, here I want to get the result. So I'm in the formula bar, I'm just pasting my values. Wow, if I am changing hotel, let's see, HOTEL. Wow, 545. What awesomely I am getting the result quickly. And am I prepared any either equal to VLOOKUP, anything I am written? No, not at all. Why? I am prepared a query, write a formula in Excel, searches the values in the A8, what is the A8 value, and return the A22B6 values, what it is there, and B column to be written. In a VLOOKUP functionality I have written clearly, formula is prepared by ChatGPT. So ensure that, make sure to prepare your query in a way, how to get, yes, then your formula will be prepared by ChatGPT. Simply take a formula and apply in your Excel spreadsheet.